Hi everyone, my name is Arina. Today I'm going to show you how are you going to favorite model from the library. Okay, first you go to your front page of AiHouse and then you can see design library option here and then you can go to model library. Once you're in the model library, you can see you have your own model, you have the texture. Here, you can make it as a favorite. For example, here I'm using is the luxury coffee table. I click on favorite and then I make it as a category of table. Okay, once I click confirm, it will be showing collect success. Okay, so to recheck back whether is it favorite or not, you can go scroll down here. You can see the favorites button and then you can see back is it in a favorite category or not. Okay, so here is my favorite table. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.